Wealth without soul is merely a ruin in waiting. Behind the mask, the owner faces a cold reality. A space that houses everything but belongs to no one. True legacy is built on what cannot be bought. In engineering, we are taught that a structure is only as strong as its foundation. But in the architecture of life, we often build skyscrapers of gold on foundations of sand. I call this piece the Inheritor. It's a silent confrontation with the solitude of success. The Inheritor explores the silent weight of what precedes us, the gold and the rust of our origins. This piece is an anchor. It's a reminder to keep your humanity intact while you build your world. Behind the horns of power lies the cold reality of a space that houses everything but belongs to no one. Wealth without human connection is merely a ruin in waiting.